Do y'all see what I am seeing right? Really? Do y'all see this gorgeous unit? She is bomb. Welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Okay, today I am going to be reviewing Jolette. I guess I said that correctly. Okay, this is a half wig and I will be adding a headband to it so you all can see how it looks with the headband. Okay, because y'all already see all this goodness right here. You're already looking at all this. Okay, so beautiful. All right, let's get this going. Okay, I got this in a color 1B. All right. A 1B. Here she go. All right, look at that. Got a little curl right in the front. It has one long comb in the front and a comb in the back. So that's pretty much it. And the adjustable straps, okay? You all see that? Okay. This wig kind of feels like the Annie wig by Outre. But it has like I said, a little curl to it. So let's see how this is going to be looking on me. So I will be back and have this beautiful unit on my head. Okay, Princess Beauty come through on y'all with this one. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Okay, come through, come through. This wig is very, let me back it up. Oh, I backed up too far, didn't I? This wig is a little long, okay, and gorgeous. Okay, let me come on in on y'all. I am speechless. This is so beautiful. And it looks super gorgeous on her too. I am really feeling this. Okay, let's do the 360. Okay, it's the side, the back, okay, and the other side, and all to the front. The hair doesn't shed hardly any. It doesn't tangle. And it didn't cost but like, I believe, $15 for this. And it is gorgeous. This wig is also heat safe up to 400. Okay? And like I said, I don't know if I mentioned that it has some ombre colors to it as well. All right, I am feeling this wig. I am loving it, honey. Yes, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No glue, no lace, no leave out to cover up. Just put your band on, okay? Slick down them edges and go. Go on about your business. Go on about your business. Yes. All right. I am loving this one. Definitely a winner. If you want to get in on the headband half wig trend, okay, honey, get this wig, pop the headband on, and go. Throw on and go, baby. Yes. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this review on this beautiful wig. And I got this headband from Amazon. Got a pack of 20, okay, for $13.99. What a good deal. So go ahead and snatch up this wig before I go ahead and snatch them all up, okay? Because this is bum and I got to get her in all the rest of the colors because I am really feeling this wig. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share, and all that stuff. Like my video. And I absolutely want to thank all my subscribers. So thank you again for watching Princess Beauty TV. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.